you are looking for a trip away in Europe and you are undecided where, you can stop looking. This is it. Gdansk was amazing. Join us as we spend a few days here exploring what the city has to offer, including things to do and see and what to eat. We booked 3 nights here, which we found just right. Although in the summer you may want to book 4 or 5 days to explore Sopot and Gdynia. We started our first full day visiting a small Instagram famous cafe called Stodko Stono. It was a lovely looking place, nicely decorated with some amazing looking cakes and pastries. Not the cheapest at all though, costing us £20 for 2 pastries and 2 coffees.
Got here just in time.
Which wasn't what we were expecting at all in Poland. We later discovered there are better places to eat for much cheaper prices, but by all means visit if you want a good picture.
We are in Gdansk, Poland. I'm Reese.
I'm Jess.
And we're travelling the world together. And the first thing we've done this morning, we grabbed a quick bite to eat. And we've gone to the main tourist information centre. That's something that we advise to do when travelling anywhere really. They're very helpful in there. And straight away, she gives us a good idea of where to go, what to do, and what food to eat.
And what museums are free on what days.
Yeah.
Which is really good.
So there's a Gdansk pass sort of thing, which you can buy. And she said if you're doing like 3 or 4 museums, then it's worth buying. Anything less than that, then probably not.
And obviously go to the free ones on the right days, then you won't need it.
Yeah, so there's free museums as well, free entry to museums as well, so bear that in mind. So we've done that, and right opposite the Tourist Information Centre is this place, so we don't know what it is. We're just going to go and have a quick look. So we didn't spend too long in there, but basically it's the 4-gate complex, which is the city gate, which was kind of like a prison, a torture house and a prison. So we are now off to the World War II Museum. It's free entry today, and we thought it'd be a good idea to go and visit that first. It was Jess's idea actually, that we go and visit that first, because then we could probably walk around the city and it would be relatable. I'm not putting that in good English.
Just stop talking.
Yeah. So yeah, we're off to see that.
When you come to Gdansk, make sure you visit the World War II Museum. This was one of the most attention-grabbing museums we have ever been to. We spent longer than anticipated here because it was just so captivating and so easy to follow. This was a great experience, and we would also recommend doing the audio tour. Once finished, we visited Perogania to try some pierogies. These were delicious. There is also another famous spot called Mandu, but this seemed popular too, so we would recommend visiting out of peak hours like we did, or booking, as we did see queues at other times in the day.
Forgot to get the food on the camera, but it was super delicious. Okay, so we were running out of time a little bit. So after the museum, we came straight to here and got some Peroga. I can't remember what they're called. Perogas. They're basically little pastries. Anyway, if you want to see them, you can go and have a look on our Instagram or TikTok. But the museum was very good.
That's the best one I've been to.
Yeah, that's probably the best museum I've been to as well. That's what I was just going to say. It's really interactive.
But it was a lot longer than I expected.
Yeah, we were there longer, but we done the the audio tour, which is really good because it
You don't have
comes
to read
on.
every single thing that's
Yeah.
there in the museum either.
And it just comes on like in time with whatever room.
You step through a
we get
room.
married.
You step through a room, and then it automatically
Plays.
detects that you're there, so then plays the right thing, which is good.
Yeah. So the World War II Museum, highly recommend it.
Definitely.
There was a bit of a queue before we went in.
3 hours.
Yeah, it was about 3 hours. They say it takes about 2 hours if you like, on average. But we
spent time reading things.
yeah, we spent time reading it and like just taking it in, and I can't find the word. Like we just immersed ourselves in it, I suppose. But yeah, it's really good. So we really enjoyed the World War II Museum, and could sort of relate to parts of it around the city as well. Not loads. Maybe Westerplatte, the Polish post office as well. There's a couple of bits in there which you can relate to around Gdansk. So yeah, we just had a little bite to eat for a late lunch,
So nice.
and now we're going to go to the
Lovelock Bridge.
is it Miller's Mill, which there's a Lovelock Bridge. Yeah, so we're going to go by a padlock and
Lock our love into.
lock our So here we are, Miller's Guild house. Very nice house. This is the padlock.
Don't do it when I'm doing my lipstick. How?
Okay. What are you struggling to do?
How to get it off?
How
there
do
a
you,
button?
how do you get the,
I know how to do it.
just hold it up, right? How do you get the keys off that padlock, she's asking. And you say, I'm the dopey one.
Tell me.
What are the keys attached to? What's
yeah, but
that,
surely
what's
there's
that
a
ring?
easier way to get it off that. Like
Key
to
ring, yeah,
unlock
take
it.
the keys off the key ring.
No, there's 3.
Well done.
Should we have just
Yeah,
locked
you
it
only need
off?
to take one off and then you can unlock it.
I thought about doing that, but I thought it would just pop open.
Bless you. Oh, they went to the same lock shop.
Oh no, it's going to be too small.
Uh-oh. Is it too small?
Might have to hook it onto someone else. So that'll be going up.
Oh, there we go. Hey.
There we go.
Rosie and Jess. Our love is now locked forever.
Until they rip it off.
We don't need to get married now.
Make a wish. For us. In your head, that's all.
What do I do? Blow on it. Kiss it. You know it? Okay. Oh my god. I'm telling.
I'm going to get arrested.
Can you see it? It's just there. Probably can't see it in the video. I'll tell you what, that's a lot of love right there. A lot of love. So inside Miller's house there's a little cafe. It's a chocolate shop. I'm going to get hot chocolate.
It's gonna be £49.96.
So we've got ourselves a couple of hot chocolates with cream and then some homemade chocolates by the look of it. Don't really know what's in them, but he explained in there. Well, one of them's nougat, one of them's
Nougat.
one of them's
Praline.
praline, it's called the pipe. And then the other one is pistachio and cashew, and then hot chocolates with a nice view. Ow. I've done it again. It wasn't hot in my mouth, and then I drank it and burned my throat. Tasty, but it was nice. It was hot. Which one you having last? Oh, that one's disgusting.
I'll have yours then.
Hey!
Is that one the better one?
I think the best at last, didn't you?
I think I'm fair.
Oh, yeah. Delicious. Okay, lovely little hot chocolate break. We are now going to go to Amber Road, I think it's called. I don't terrible pronunciations, but we're going to go and take.
I'd recommend going there. Get yourself a little padlock.
It's this way, isn't it? Oh, it's that way and then right.
Get yourself a little padlock. Put a little padlock on the gate. Take a nice picture. And then go for coffee. Get some chucky.
She's right, it's nice.
It's a nice little
Not that, but that's where we just had coffee. And right next to it is this place here, which is the Mill House, I think. And it was built back in like 1342, I think, or something like that, 1365. And basically, it used the river coming through the city as power, and then they made loads of stuff here back in 1365. And it lasted all the way up to the war, so it got destroyed in like 1945, and then it was rebuilt in the 1960s. It's now a museum. But another cool thing to come and see in Gdansk. And that is the name of it. Right opposite that, there's another impressive building and a squeaky bike with a flat tyre. That is a photo. So the road that we're on now is called Mariaka. And Gdansk is actually famous for amber. And on this road there is loads of amber jewellery shops. Let's see if we can get just a nice piece of amber jewellery. It's getting dark now. And one thing about the Gdansk as well is there's not like loads of bright street lamps. There's all like old-fashioned, warm. Is it warm? Yeah, like warm light, not like bright white light. And there's like a really cool ambiance. So this is where we ate today, to try some Perogi. I was too keen and I didn't get them on camera, but they were very, very, very nice. And it gets busy in there. It was queued last night, so we didn't end up going in there. So instead, there's 2 down from here. There's a place called Mazelians. And this is where we ate last night. We had some absolutely delicious food in there last night.
The service was really good as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, the service was awesome. We didn't really know what we wanted to eat. We kind of just showed up. The waiter, I can't remember his name, but he was awesome. And we kind of just said we want to try some traditional Polish food. And he just kind of, he just suggested what we should have, and we went with it, and it was delicious. It was really good. Okay, so we popped back to the hotel, got changed, and now we are off out for some dinner, tea, whatever you want to call it. And where are we going?
Fish markets.
Here we go, fish market, restaurant and bar. Let's go check it out.
This one, herring, is herring marinated in goldwasser liquor. The liquor from 16th century, like here, with 23 carats gold flake inside. Also dried plum and carrot. This one is chutney with apple, onion and rice. And this is classic Kashuban way of herring. Please enjoy.
Thank you very
so
much.
And now the end is near. I have enough no and street it all. I face it all and stood it all, and I did it my
Brilliant. Well done.
Oh, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thanks. Oh, you got two. Thank you.
Thank you.
That literally
I'll taste mine.
melts you. That's going well. When we come to Gdansk, we've got to try the fish market. I'm only chewing to check for bones, but it just disintegrates in your mouth. Like umami beans.
We're not letting much fishy people out.
No, not really. We played it kind of safe. Although we did try that. The red herring wasn't. We tried the red herring. But, that's so good.